Alright, this is what we're up to. Dump pipes off, top intercooler pipes off. These are our new manifold gaskets. Heat shields off. The studs, that's what I was worried about, but that's our culprit back here, the back one. See, blown out. So we're just going to change them all. They got the old bloody, well, they are fucking graphite gasket on there, so not a big fan of those, but anyway, we'll get them off. New ones on there. Everything's still hot. I've been out driving for like an hour and a half to get diesel and some other bits and pieces to do this job, so everything's hot, everything's working, and yeah, we'll just keep going. Undo all this now and pull the manifold off. Yeah. Righto, that's the one that is blown out. As you can see, that was my problem back here, why she sounded like a John Deere. But yeah, I only just broke this one here, peeling the manifold off the head, but the rest of them are all sealed really well, actually. Yeah. Jesus. Righto, I just pulled the whole thing out. I didn't realise actually how easy it would be to do so. I was going to cover up the return there into the block, but here she is. So much easier to clean, and then it's definitely going to be a mission to get back in, but I didn't want to change gaskets or reseal it. Didn't realise it was on a pipe join, like an AN style fitting, I guess, on the bottom. And on that one I've seen before, but yeah, nice. Turbo and manifolds back on. All the gaskets are in there. Half the bolts are in there. Got new bolts. Got some just some anti-seize on the end. A little bit in the ends of here as well, just so they don't bind up there. But yeah, I've reused the top studs. I don't know if it's going to be a problem. We'll find out. To hold the heat shield on. So we'll see how we go. But it's happening. Turbo's on, manifold's all tightened up. Just got a slight bit of copper sealer around the metal gaskets, just a bit of peace of mind for your man here, but it's all back on. Just gonna start it up, let it all warm up, because I'll have to just give him another nip up, but she's good to go. Let's see what happens. Turbo's on, it's all tightened up. This downpipe here, downpipe back on. V-band's done up. Bit of cement goo shit around the inside of that clamp, she's done up. Exhaust temps back in. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll give it a little run just before. I'll have to go over these bolts again, and yeah, we're getting there. Painted heat shield, didn't do the manifold. There's a reason for that. I'll explain later. But yeah. Fire it up.